In this video, we're going to show you how to install the battery on your Kia Sorento located under your hood. With the hood open, go ahead and locate your battery right here on the driver's side front portion of the vehicle. We'll use a 10mm socket, our extension and ratchet to go ahead and loosen the 10mm nut here. Go ahead and give this a twist. Go ahead and pull it up and off and set it aside. We're going to remove our air intake tube. We have to use our Phillips head screwdriver. And normally what you want to do is unscrew the center. And as this comes up, you can use your trim tool to lift it up. Now ours are slightly damaged, but normally the center will come up and you can get your trim tool underneath, lift up the centerpiece, and then pop out the bottom. Lift this up, pull it towards you, and set that aside. And if your battery has this cover over the positive terminal, you're going to push in on this clip and lift that up to expose the terminal. Use your 10mm socket. Lift up the entire unit here. I'm going to give this a twist. Lift it up and off, and just tuck that aside. Now along the front side of the battery, if you go down, there's going to be a clamp right here. This is a securing clamp here. This is a 12mm bolt, so we're going to use our 12mm socket with an extension. We want to loosen and remove this. Now you can use an impact driver, or you can use your ratchet like I'm doing. And remove that bolt and the clamp. With that removed, we can now pull the battery out. And reach in here, slide that battery, and lift that up and out. Go ahead and grab that battery, lower it down in a position. You want to make sure that your ground terminal is pulled out of the way. Now we want to make sure that the battery is slid as far back as possible because there's a retaining bar on the back that locks into the bottom portion of the battery. I want to take our hold down clamp here. We did put a little bit of ADC's compound on the threads. We simply want to go ahead and get this started by hand. Let's go ahead and snug that down. And once you feel that bottom out, like pretty much, you want to make sure it's good and snug, but you don't have to make it super tight. But you can definitely tell that that is bottomed out. Go ahead and grab that positive terminal. Install that. Snug down the securing nut here. Once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You do want to make sure it's good and snug. Give this a twist. If the clamp itself is moving, you definitely need to tighten that down a little more. Give it a little wiggle. All right, and our positive terminal is now secured. Close the cap. Install this onto our air filter box. Bring this down. You want to take your buttons here, install the lower portion, and then push down on the center and secure that. You're going to do that for all three. Well, sometimes these plastic buttons, they do break, so you'll have to source some replacements. Install your ground terminal. You want to make sure that that's down as far as it'll go on that post. Go ahead and secure this. And make sure it's good and tight. Give that terminal a wiggle, make sure it's good and secured, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.